Lunch time, come on everybody to the refectory. Please pack your items properly. Have you had good lessons? Let the participants stand out. Ayansh, where is the piece of chalk? Please clean the board. What subject is this period? Did your friend come to school today? Who is your teacher? What is the strength of the school? Isn't your friend coming today? Are the books put in the bag? What's for lunch today? English lesson is not very difficult. The floor of the school is very clean. Do air conditioners work? The last year of the school was very boring. Is the last lesson English? Our math teacher is doing a very difficult exam. Why are you late? How did you come to school on foot? There is traffic, I am late for school. Thank you.